Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back to Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. If you're new here, you are at the right place. At the end of this very video, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be aware anytime I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, I appreciate all your love and support. Thank you. Do you want to know how I prepared this hidden surprise heart cake? Keep watching and don't skip any of this very video as we get into the preparation. In the bowl, I have my cake flour. To it, I'm going to add the salt, the cocoa powder, and the baking powder. So now I'm going to mix all of them together. Check the description box below for the list of these ingredients, okay? Then I will set it aside. In another mixing bowl, I'm going to crack in 2 eggs. To it, I add the sugar. Give it a quick stir. Next, I'm going to throw in the vanilla extract. Stir it a little bit more. Add the vegetable oil. I used sunflower oil here. Then the buttermilk. Now I add the white vinegar. At this point, I'm going to sift in the flour mixture into the egg mixture. Then mix all together until they are well incorporated. I'm going to add the red food color to it and mix them together until it is evenly distributed. After mixing, I pour the batter into a cake tin, greased and lined up with parchment paper. Then transfer it to the oven and bake it for about 30 to 45 minutes at 170 degrees centigrade. Forty minutes later, our cake is baked. Let it rest for 5 minutes, then transfer it into the cooling rack. Now I'm going to create that surprise heart you saw in the cake. Just keep watching, don't skip any of this video, and you will get to know how I did it. Now take a look at the result. This is how it will look like. Then the next stage, we are going to prepare the simple yogurt cake. So I'm going to mix all these dry ingredients together. So I set it aside. In another clean dry bowl, I'm going to pour in the sugar, lemon zest, then mix them together. Add the 3 eggs and beat them together. Until they are well combined and light. To eat, I pour in the oil. Add the yogurt and the vanilla extract. We are going to beat all these ingredients together until they are light and fluffy. To eat, I sift in the flour mixture. Then add the milk bit by bit. Once I'm done with the mixture, just watch me and see how I created that hidden heart in the cake. Keep watching. Now transfer it to the preheated oven and bake for 45 to 50 minutes. Once the cake is baked and rested for 5 minutes, you can transfer it to the cooling rack. Take a look at this cake. It's looking so moist, soft and fluffy. Yeah, this is the texture we are looking for. I'm going to level the cake. It is time to frost our cake with cream cheese. If you want to know how I prepare this cream cheese frosting, please check on my previous video on carrot cake. I will put the link in the description box below, okay? So watch and see how I frost this very cake and the outcome of it. Believe me, if you can be able to prepare this kind of cake for your loved ones, trust me, they will really appreciate it. Yeah, this is so nice and it's a surprise. Yes, it's a surprise for your loved ones. Give it a try. I converted the rest of the cake that was cut off. I trimmed off when I was shaping the heart. I used my hand to turn it into crumbs. So we apply it. It was not a waste. We still add it to it. And it's a good design. Can't you see? It's very simple. I'm going to add the food color to the frosting and mix them together because we are going to pipe. For the piping, you can use any piping nozzle of your choice to give it the desired shape or design of your choice. Yeah, and the cake will still come out looking so beautiful, so inviting. Trust me, your loved one will love it. They will really appreciate it. You can imagine when you cut the cake and you begin to see the heart inside it. Oh my. This is really good. At the end of it, I use the heart cutter to cut a heart, and place on top of it. If you don't have this cutter, don't worry. The cake is already looking so inviting. If you like this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up. I love you all. Till next time, stay healthy. Mwah.